Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper full guide. So let's get started. So with this one, the first option that you have is to withdraw your money from the Tonkeeper app itself. So to do that, all you have to do is tap on the buy and sell button. And then tap on sell right here on the sell section, and then you would have your methods right here on selling your TON or ton coin. So you want to tap on show all so that you would also see other methods that you have available. In my case, I only have Mercurio and Avant Change. So you want to choose either of this one right here, and then you would need to provide your bank details, your credit card, or whatsoever the information that they would need for your payment. And then after that, you should be able to sell your TON and convert it into cash. And then the second method, if you don't want to use the Tonkeeper app, is that you can also use other third-party programs like Binance, for example. So you want to send your TON to Binance, but you cannot directly send it into Binance because TON or Toncoin is not directly listed into Binance. So what you can do is you can tap here on swap, and then you want to swap your Toncoin into USDT. So we're going to tap on USDT right here. And then once you have done that, then you want to input the amount of Toncoin that you would want to convert to USDT in order for you to cash it out or withdraw it from Binance. Once you have successfully swapped it, the next thing is you want to tap on send. And then from here, you would need the address or name of your Binance account right here. And the comment right here is for the memo. So let's go into our Binance app right here. And basically, we're going to deposit USDT just like this one. But so what you need to do in order to get those information, you want to tap on the yellow button on the bottom center. And then tap on deposit. And then from here, you want to tap on USDT or search for USDT if you can't find it. So tap on USDT right there. And then as you can see, the next thing is you want to choose the network. So our network would be Toncoin since we will be sending from Toncoin right there. And then tap on continue. And then you want to copy the deposit address right there. And then you want to go into Toncoin. And then paste the address right there. And I'll paste. And then in the comment section, you would need to copy the USDT memo. So copy on that. And then go back into Toncoin. And then basically just paste it right there and click on continue. And then basically all you have to do is input the amount of USDT. But first, you would need to convert the ton to USDT here. So you make sure that you have done that so that the one that you will send is your USDT, and then input the amount right here. And then after you have input the amount right here and tapped on continue, it should be sent into your Binance account. And then from here, you should be able to withdraw it just like this one right here. So you can withdraw it in Binance or in other third-party programs. So that is basically it on how you can do it. Thank you for watching.